Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to set up and use Costway portable air conditioner, installation, modes and daily operation guide. Step 1. Place the air conditioner. Put the air conditioner on a flat level floor, then keep at least 20 inches of space around it. Then place it near a window and a wall outlet. Second one is install the window kit. Open the window, then adjust the window kit to fit the window. Secure the kit and close the window around it. Third one is connect the exhaust hose. Attach one end of the exhaust hose to the back of the unit, then attach the other end to the window kit. Then keep the hose as straight as possible. Fourth one is plug in and turn on. Plug the unit directly into a wall outlet, then press and power button to turn it on. So how to use the modes? Cool mode. Press mode until cool is selected, then use the up or down button to set the temperature. Choose the fan speed if available fan mode. Then press mode until fan is selected. Then choose the fan speed you want. The unit will blow air without cooling. Dry mode. Press mode until dry is selected. Then the unit will remove moisture from the air. Connect the drain hose if your model require it. Sleep mode. So press the sleep button, then the unit will run more quietly. It will adjust the temperature automatically while you sleep. Thanks for watching.